Last EPICR Award Assembly of the year. If you don't remember, it is enthusiasm, perseverance, integrity, courage, and respect. All right, we're jumping right in. Congratulations to Max and Mr. Majors class. Addie and Miss Phelps class. Aria and Mrs. Crawford's class. Bear and Miss Duncan's class. Noah and Mrs. Phelps' class. Trey and Mrs. Dunker's class. Evelyn and Miss Duncan's class. Ollie and Miss Reynolds' class. Charlie and Miss Levine's class. Luke and Miss Duncan's class. Charlie and Mrs. Crawford's class. Ava and Mrs. Murphy's class. Tessa and Miss Tyler's class. Landon and Mrs. Murphy's class. Tommy and Mrs. Phelps' class. Alexis and Miss Hegre's class. McKenna and Miss Levine's class. Ramaya and Mrs. Reese's class. Hunter and Mr. Major's class. Maya and Mrs. Brown's class. Sarah and Mrs. Crawford's class. Eli, Mrs. Brown's class. Andrew and Mrs. Reynolds' class. Hunter and Mrs. Bruce's class. Lily and Mrs. Schofield's class. Sadie and Miss Schofield's class. Brady and Miss Ranieri's class. Ellie and Mrs. Phelps' class. Hunter and Mrs. Scott's class. Colette and Mrs. Petty's class. Zoe and Miss Hegre's class. Gage and Mrs. Brown's class. Emma and Mrs. Bruce's class. Elia, Mr. Bartuska's class. Lucy and Mr. Bartuska's class. Mario and Mrs. Brown's class. Caleb and Miss Ranieri's class. Dominic and Mrs. Dry's class. Levi and Mr. Major's class. Luciano, Miss Petty's class. Allie, Miss Levine's class. Serenity, Miss Dunker's class. Aaron and Miss Dry's class. Olivia, Miss Tyler's class. Zane and Miss Zavadil's class. Minka and Miss Zavadil's class. Anna and Miss Hegre's class. Joseph and Mrs. Breese's class. Miles and Mrs. Brown's class. Brecklin in Mrs. Scott's class. Alani in Mrs. Breese's class. Ruby Ruth in Mrs. Zavadil's class. Landon, he's actually Mrs. Reese's class. And Dalton, who's in Miss Ranieri's class. We flipped those around. All right, congratulations, everyone. Have a wonderful day. Congratulations, Epic Award winners. Have a wonderful day, and let's get started.